If you want to grow your blog faster, you need to write about what people are actually searching for. Answer the Public helps you find those exact topics in seconds. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Answer the Public for blogging from research to content creation. First, open Answer the Public and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're ready to start finding blog ideas based on real search data. Next, type a broad keyword related to your blog niche. This could be anything like travel, health, finance, or technology. The goal is to uncover what your audience wants to read. Click Search and wait for the results to load. Answer the Public organizes search queries into questions, comparisons, prepositions, and related topics, which makes it easier to find blog ideas. One of the best places for blogging ideas is the questions section. Here you'll see real searches starting with how, what, why, when, and where. These can easily become blog posts. As you explore keywords, start turning them into blog titles. A simple search question can become a step-by-step guide, list post, or in-depth tutorial. Next, check related searches and comparisons. These sections help you expand your blog content with supporting articles, reviews, or deeper explanations. Now start collecting your best blog ideas in a list or spreadsheet. Organizing them helps you stay consistent and plan your content strategy more effectively. Try grouping related keywords into clusters. This helps you build stronger SEO structure and improves your chances of ranking in search engines. Now take your keyword ideas and turn them into SEO-optimized blog posts that answer real questions and solve problems for your readers. And that's how to use Answer the Public for blogging. Yeah, once you start using real search data, coming up with blog ideas becomes much easier and more consistent. Thanks for watching, and good luck growing your blog.